Next, we will discuss exercise 3.2. Find the HCF by prime factorization. First, we will take question number A. Now, here, if first we prime factorize 4. 4, if we divide by 2, then 2 2s are 4. Again, we divide by 2, 2 1s are 2. And 6, if we divide by 2, first we check it is an even number. These are even number. That's why we have to divide. Prime factor, first one, the smallest prime number is 2. First we check it is even number, then we have to divide by 2. Now if we divide by 2, then 2 3s are 6. Therefore if we divide, then this one, now 3 is divided by 3. Then 3 1s are 3. Therefore 4 means what? 2 into 2. And 6 means how much? 2 into 3. Now we find the HCF. Here common factor which one? 2. Here also 2. Here also 2. Here another 2, but here there is no another 2. Here 3 is present, but here 3 is not present. Therefore common factor is which one? 2, only 2. Therefore HCF, highest one also 2. That's why HCF of 4 and 6 is equal to 2. This is the answer. Now second one we will take B. Here 3 numbers are given, 12, 32, 36. We have to find the HCF by prime factorization method. First 12, if we divide by 2, because it is an even number, that's why first we have to divide by 2. 2 6 are 12. Then 6 also even number, again we divide by 2. Then 2 3s are 6. And these 3, if we divide by 3, then 1 we will get. Next 32. 32, it is also even number, that's why we divide by 2. Then 32 means 1 6. 16 2s are 32. Again we divide by 2. 2 8 is 16. 8. Again we divide by 2, then it will be 4. If we divide by 2, 2 2s are 4. And this one, if we divide by 2, then 2 1s are 2. We prime factorize 32. Now we will prime factorize this one, 36. 36 also even number, that's why we divide by 2. Then 18. Now if we divide by 2, then 9 will get. If we divide by 3, then 3 3s are 9. If we divide by 3, then 1. Until 1 we have to divide. Now here 12 means 2 into 2 into 3. And 32 means 32, if we prime factorize, then 2 into how many 2? Here 5 2. 5 times we have to multiply it by 2. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Now 36, if we prime factorize, then 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now here common factor, this one 2 is the common factor, this one 2 also common factor. Here 3 is present, but in 32 there is no 3 here. So we can't take, it is not, 3 is not a common factor. Therefore common factor only what? Common factor of prime numbers are here. Common factors, we can write factor means prime factors. Factors means prime factor. Okay, prime factor are prime factor of what 12, 32 and 36 are 2 and 2. Therefore, HCF is equal to 2 into 2 is equal to 4. This is the answer. First we find the common prime factors of 12, 32, 36. We will get how much? 2 and 2. Both are 2, 2. And if we multiply that common factor, then we will get the highest common factor. Next, C 1624. I think you can do 8, D 1827. This one 6, 9, 35, 49, 72. Then I will do F and G. Okay, G and H. Here C, D, E, F. You can do as a homework. Next 72. First we have to prime factorize. This one divided by 2. Why? Because it is an even number. Then 36. Then if we divide by 2, 2 1 are 2, 16, 18. If we divide by 2, then 9. If we divide by 3, then 3. If we divide by 3, then 1. Next 81. 81 if we divide, because it is an odd number, that's why we can't divide by 2. Now 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. 9 is divisible by 3. You know the test of divisibility. Then if we divide by 3, then it will be 27. If we divide by 3, then 9 3s are 27. If we divide by 3, 3 3s are 9, and divide by 3, 1. And 99, it is also odd number. We can't divide by 2. If we divide by 3, then 33 will come. And if we divide by 3, then 11 will come. And this one 11 is a prime number. That's why we divide by 11, then 1 will get. Now 72. If we prime factorize, then 72, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. And 81, if we prime factorize, then we will get 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. And 99, if we factorize, then 3 into 3 into 11. Now, first we have to take common number. Here 2 is present, but in this two number there is no 2. And here 3 is present. This one 3, this one 3, this one 3. Here also this one 3, this one 3, this one 3. Therefore 2, 3 common factor of these 3 number. Therefore directly we find the HCF is equal to how much? This one 1 3, this 2 3, this 2 3, this 2 3. That's why 3 into 3 is equal to 9. Therefore HCF of answer. Therefore HCF of what? HCF of 72, 81 and 99 is 9. Okay, I hope all of you understand. Now here we have discussed A, B and G. I hope C, D, E, F, H, these 5 sum you can do yourself. These 5 sum you do as a homework. Okay.